Hi everyone. Hi there, Sally Ann Campbell here. I still love saying that new name. I just recently got married, so some may remember me as Sally Ann Young, but I am now Sally Ann Campbell. So I'm just jumping on here to give my little tips and hints on what's working for me with bookings. So great speaker before Michelle, and this follows on great from Michelle because it's also how I use my calendar to help me get organised and get my bookings. Hi Deanne, thanks for joining me. So if you're here, give me the hearts, show me the love, and if you're watching later, hashtag replay in the comments, and so we know you're here. Remember today, girls, if you don't catch the live, you can always jump back in at any time during the day to watch the lives. You can jump in, rewatch some, take some notes. There will be notes posted up after as well. So thank you, Rebel and Mary and Laura, and to everybody at Park Lane for having me here speak today and share my tips. I'm here to talk about follow-up and why it works. So follow-up, hi Victoria, follow-up in our business is really smart, okay? It's doing what you say you're going to do. And that's just being authentic and being who you are going to be. So it gives you cred, okay? It gives you credibility. Hi, Jennifer. It also builds rapport and it builds trust. So if you say you're going to do something and you do that, somebody's like, wow, she's like a person of her word. And I'm a very old-fashioned that, you know, if you're of your word, you're a good person and you're going to say what you're going to do. So when I'm talking to prospective hosts and they come up with objections, of course I try and overcome some objections, but sometimes they just flat out don't want to book with you right now. But that's not a no forever. It's maybe I want to book down the track. And sometimes they'll say to you, oh, maybe next month or maybe in January, get the busyness of Christmas over. So you know what? They'll either say that or they'll pick a date that's way too far in advance. And Michelle talked about how important it is to book in close. Now, sure, if I was desperate for dates, I could take them and book them in 4 to 6 weeks in advance. But I can tell you it is highly likely they will cancel or postpone, because so many other things will happen in their life and they may even forget they booked with you. Okay, so your host coaching is important there because you need to try and keep it in close. So instead, I say to them, look, I'm only taking bookings at the moment for December, but how about I give you a call when I open my January dates? So this is what I do each month. If somebody's wanting to book outside of my 2 to 3 weeks, I'll say to them, can I give you a call when I open my dates for next month? You're asking their permission. You're saying, hey, I'll give you a call. And then, you know what? All you have to do is give them a call. You've got a valid reason to make this call. It's not a cold call. It's a valid reason because you're doing what you said you would do. Hi, Rebs. So this is just how the follow-up works. And so then you can give her a call and you'd be like, hey, how's it going? How was your Christmas? I said I would follow up in January, so I'm just letting you know I've opened up my dates, and then give her the option of 2, okay? This is how it works for me. I'll say to her, and obviously I've got my calendar ready and everything. So this is how I work. I have a desk calendar, okay, on my desk, and I also work with my diary. Now my desk calendar is marked out, like Michelle said. All my available spots are in yellow. So I'm obviously planning on a very busy January because I've got a honeymoon in Bali on the 30th, and I'm going to work my bum off before Bali. So there's my calendar. These are my available dates. And then obviously other spots where I'm not going to work are not highlighted. So this is how it works. Now up this top corner, I have the names of the ladies who have said to me, I'll follow up in January. So they're keen to party in January. So straight away, every month, when I'm talking to those ladies, I turn it over and I write down their names in that next month. So I'd say to them, okay, great. Hi, Kelly. So I'd say, okay, great. So does midweek or weekend suit you best? And she'll give me one or the other. And I'll say, perfect. What about a daytime or an evening time slot? What's best for you? And she'll give me evening. And I'll say, perfect. I've got the 7th or the 10th of January. Which one suits you best? Bang, she's in, okay? You're giving her those options. So follow-up is important. Do what you say you're going to do. You will get credit, build rapport, build trust with your customers and clients, and it will lead you into a fabulous year. So I hope you all tune in and rewatch this live. Hashtag replay if you're with me. Give me some hearts if you're here right now. sending the love out from Lockwood in Victoria, and I hope you all have a smashing 2019. Enjoy the rest of the lives today. See you later.